Facing lag issues with Telegram on your Android device? It's easy to fix. In this tutorial, I'll show you simple solutions to solve the lagging problem so you can enjoy a smooth Telegram experience again. Let's get started. Before going forward, check these basic things. Check your internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Still having the issue? Then follow next. Solution 1. Turn off the data saver. Go to the Settings app. After that, tap Connection or Network or something similar. Next, tap Data Usage. Now press Data Saver, then toggle it on. Solution 2. Disable battery optimization for the Telegram app. Press and hold the Telegram app. Scroll down and find Battery. After that, tap Battery. Now choose Unrestricted or something similar. Solution 3. Clear Telegram cache and data. Go to your phone settings. Scroll down. Then tap Apps. Scroll down and find Telegram. After that, tap Telegram. Now hit Storage. Then press Clear Data. Next, tap Clear Cache. And tap Clear Cache again from the pop-up. Solution 4. Update the Telegram app. Go to the Play Store and search the Telegram app. Then check if there is any available update for Telegram. Now update the latest Telegram app. If these steps helped you fix the lagging issue in Telegram on your Android device, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. If you're still facing issues or have any questions, leave a comment below. I'd be happy to assist. Thanks for watching and happy messaging.